Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media analytics consultant businesses. As a social media analytic consultant, you got many queries from your clients regarding the reports, suggestions, etc. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming and a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your client send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media analytics consultant, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of social media analytic consultant, hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Social Media Analytic Consultant. I help businesses like yours make sense of social data and turn insights into growth. Here's what I can do for you today, while providing me 3 different options, that is share your goals, performance report and support. If I'll click on share your goals, then it will respond to me like this, that thank you for reaching Pabbly Social Media Analytics Consultant. Please share your goal. So here I am sharing my goal with them. Here I write it. See, the bot will respond to me automatically like thank you for sharing your goals. I am excited to analyze your social media and help you grow. Our team will connect to you soon. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this social media analytic consultant. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how our bot will respond to our client automatically instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your social media analytic consultant businesses, you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, so I'll click on this button flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our social media analytic consultant businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For this I am selecting this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image that is related to my social media analytic consultant. I am uploading one image here because it's found impactful and interesting towards customer. By clicking on this button and upload it from my gallery. Here I upload it. Now I want to write one welcome message for my clients. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write my message as. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll say to my client that here's what I can do for you today. So for answering this, I am providing some buttons to them. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as share your goals. The second button I'll write is performance report. And the third button I'll write is support. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our message is connected to our flow starting point. Now, if my customer wants to share their goals with me, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am clicking on this action option and select a button as ask a question. Here it provided me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing the question for my clients that please share your goals. Here I write it. See, thank you for reaching Pabbly Social Media Analytic Consultant. Please share your goal. I write it this please share your goal in this asterisk sign because with the help of this asterisk symbol, this message will go to my customer WhatsApp account in the bold format. Now in this, I'll select the contact custom field as goal. I already created this before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I select format as text. I want to give number of attempt as 1 and I don't want to provide any validation message for my client, so I am leaving this blank. If you want to, then you can write here. Here it is completed. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of share your goals to the message I write it here. See, after that, when my clients provided me their goal, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the message for my clients that thank you for sharing your goal. Our team will connect to you soon. Here I write it. The second one is the performance report. If my clients wants to know about this, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and writing the details regarding the performance report. Here I write it, while at the end of this message, I'll also provide one link for my clients. That is the official link of my Pabbly social media analytic consultant. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of performance report to the message I wrote the report. Here it is connected. The third one is the support. If my clients wants to know about the contactual details of my social media analytic consultant, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. Here it will provide me one message box where I can write all the contactual details of my social media analytic consultant business. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for social media analytic consultant. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your client automatically, instantly, without you doing anything. By sending a message in my WhatsApp business account of social media analytic consultant, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Social Media Analytic Consultant. I help businesses like yours make sense of social data and turn insight into growth. Here's what I can do for you today while providing me 3 options, that is share your goals, performance report and support that we were written here. See. Share your goals, performance report and support. If I'll click on performance report, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one official link of the social media analytic consultant. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details. If I'll click on share your goals, then it will respond to me like this while thank you for reaching Pabbly social media analytic consultant. Please share your goal. If I'll provide my goal here I write it. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Thank you for sharing your goal. I am excited to analyze your social media and help you grow. Our team will connect to you soon. So basically, this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our clients automatically, instantly. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.